Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your iOS 16 update is not showing on the setting. So guys, if you're trying to update your iPhone and the iOS 16 update is not showing, then I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this problem. So let's get start the video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, make sure that you are using iPhone that supports iOS 16 update. So after this guys, the first step is go to the setting, click on general, click on date and time, and turn off the set automatic and select the time zone where are you living right now. So after this guys, you need to restart your iPhone once. So make sure that you restart your iPhone and check the update, and if the update is still not available, then go to the setting, click on general, click on transfer and reset, click on reset, click on reset network setting, then click on reset network setting. So guys, after this, make sure that you don't have any beta profile downloaded on your iPhone. So guys, if you have downloaded the beta profile, then go to general, click on VPN and device management, then remove the beta profile from iPhone. So after this removing guys, after all this step, now go to your setting and check if the update is available. So after this guys, just go to set general, then click on software update. So as you can see guys, there is a 16 update, then simply click on download and install. So this is how you can fix this problem. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you do guys, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching guys.